Hello everyone, a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Okay, I am also fine. I am your Divya ma'am. Okay, I am your Divya ma'am. Very good. So, today which period is going on? So many blocks over here. So, which period? Math. In math period, I am going to teach you numbers. Full numbers from 1 to 100. In your syllabus, full numbers from 1 to 100. So today we will revise orally. Okay, orally revise 1 to 100. Okay, so are you ready for revision? For revising the numbers? So fold your hands. Do not writing. No notebook, no pencil, no eraser. Only fold your hands and look over here. Okay, revise only. Numbers from 1 to 100. And repeat after me. So, first we will write tens and ones. Okay, always we will write tens and ones. So first we will write ones, then tens. So numbers from 1 to 100. So what is the heading? Numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So numbers from 1 to 100. Are you ready for revise the numbers? Very good. So first we'll write 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. 1 in tens column, 0 in ones column. So this numbers 1 to 10. Now drop one line. Okay. Now from 11 to 20. So revise, repeat after me. 1, 1, 11. Okay. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 30. Repeat after me. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19 and last is 2, 0, 20. So, in one line, in tens column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones column. So, you remember what is the places of the numbers? Okay. So, that's 11 to 20. Okay, now again drop one line. Then write again position, place of the numbers. Then we will write from 2, 1, 21. So you repeat after me. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And last is 3, 0, 30. Okay, so these numbers from 2, 1, 21 from 3, 0, 30. Okay, so you revise this line. Now next, again drop one line, again tens and ones. Okay, you see only and revise only numbers. So now writes from 31 will come. So here we write 3 1 31. Now 3 2 32. Okay. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. Then 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. And last is 4 0 40. Okay. So numbers from 31 to 40. Okay. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Now tell me what is the after number of 40? What is the after number of 40? Yes. 4 1 41. So here we write 4 1 41. All of you say 4 1 41. Then 4 2 42. 4 3 43. 4 4 44. 4 5 45. 4 6 46. Then 4 7 47. 4 8 48. 4 9 49. And last 50 50. Okay, so these numbers from 41 to 50. Okay, so you revise 41 to 50. 41, 42, repeat after me. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. Now write from 51, 51. Again write the places of the number, one sentence. Then write 5 1 51. Okay. Then 5 2 52. 5 3 53. 5 4 54. 5 5 55. 5 6 56. 5 7 57. 5 8 58. 5 9 59. And last is 60 60. So the numbers from 51 to 60. In your return, you know how to write numbers from 1 to 60. Yes, in your previous session, you write number from 1 to 60 60. So now we will learn further numbers. From after 60, which number will come? Drop one line. Again write position. So after 60, 61 will come. So 6 1 61. Then 6 2 62. 6 3 63. 6 4 64. 6 5 65. 6 6 66. 6 7 67. 6 8 68. 6 9 69. And 70 70. Don't write, okay, only revise. So look here at the board and repeat after me. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and last 70, 70. Okay. Revise from 61 to 70. Now after 70, 70, which number will come? After 70, 70, 71 will come. So, here we write 7 1 71. So all of you say 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73, 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79, and last, what is the after number of 79? Yes, 80 80. So in this line, numbers from 71 to 80. So you revised all the numbers. Okay, once again repeat after me. 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73. Look over here. 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79, and last 80 80. Okay, so on this board, numbers from 1 to 80. Now I have no space, so I am erase this side. Okay, so you remember all the numbers 1 to 30. So I am erase. Now after 80, I am right here. Okay, so look here. After 80, which number will come? After 80, 81 will come. So 8 1 81. Then after 81, which number will come? After 81, which number will come? Tell me. After 81, which number will come? Yes. After 80, 81 will come. Then 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89, and last 90 90. So in this line, numbers from 81 to 90 90. So again we will revise. 8 1 81. Okay, your finger on the board. If you have any number charts, so you use your number chart, paste on your wall and take one stick. So 8 1 81, 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89, and last is 90 90. So now last line, after 90 90, which number will come? 9 1 91. Okay, look careful. 9 1 91. After 91, 9 2 92, 9 3 93, 9 4 94, 9 5 95, 9 6 96, 9 7 97, 9 8 98, 9 9 99. Now there are only 2 digits number. Now will come 3 digit number. So you use one more place. The place is 100. Okay. Now you use place 100. Here only 2 digits number. So you use tens and ones only. But now 100 will come. So you use the place of 100. So in 1, write in 1 in 100 line. Okay. So here we write 1 double 0 100 100 100. After 99, which number will come? 100 100. So one time again we will revise the line from 91 to 100. Okay. So 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99 and 100 100. Okay, so these are numbers from 1 to 100. You revise, only don't write on your notebook, only revise in. So you use your number chart, paste on the wall and use one stick, okay, big one stick, and finger out the numbers and revise all the numbers from 1 to 100. And how to revise? You say full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you say 1, 0, 10. Then start after 10, 1, 1, 11. So you say full number 1, 1, 11. Okay, like this line. So you say 3, 1, 31. You say full numbers. Okay. Don't say only 31, 32. Okay. You say full number. 3, 1, 31. And at the time of writing, you also say and write. Okay. Now you revise only 1 to 100. So now this period is over. Now bye.